really good to know tips about typography to get us started. We'll start here with a quick word on choosing fonts. Now, typography is interesting. There is a vast world of typography, of good fonts, bad fonts, when to use what, when to use. It's all subjective, right? It doesn't, there's no scientific method behind choosing typography. But there are a few tips that we're going to cover that Comic Sans. Oh yeah, the only two hard rules are you cannot use Comic Sans and you cannot use Papyrus. Those are the two hard rules of typography. So we're just going to go over a few kind of guidelines to get a feel for how typography works, right? So effectively using typography means ensuring high readability while still maintaining visual cohesion. For example, here is a Father's Day ad that I pulled off of Nike's website, right? Very on brand for Nike. This big font right here is called Futura Extra Bold Condensed. That's like the signature Nike font, right? Like Nike is synonymous with this font. You see like the Just Do It on everyone's like bright green shirt, all of that, right? That's Nike right there. And this font makes a huge statement because it's sporty, it's bold, it's centered. Like that is Nike, right? All of their branding is that way. And it says celebrate that. That is the focal point. Like your eyes are drawn there when you first view this ad. It goes along with everything else in this page. You see up here where it says Father's Day, Father's Day, Father's Day. It kind of ties it all together. Now, if we were to just like take this and replace it with that, still looks okay, but it's not the same message, right? It looks fine. It looks classic. That's like Times New Roman, like the most standard font possible. It looks fine, but it doesn't have the same effect as this. And that's because this is like Nike's brand and it's portraying Celebrate Dad. It's portraying Nike's brand. It's still very legible. You can still read it. You still know what it says, but it's that bold centered font that Nike is known for. And they're trying to portray something strong, something big. And that's what that's for. So if you were to take that away and reduce it back to Times New Roman, not quite the same.